So we're nearing our destination. Where we're going, Lamb? Where are we going?
Play something.
We're going to a country park for a lovely walk in this on this beautiful, beautiful day. And look at these houses. Old English cottages. Yeah. The English countryside. Cuckoo Cottage.
It's a sheep.
Look, sheep, sheep, sheep.
Sheep.
Sheep, sheep, sheep. So look over the hills. Yeah, rolling hills. It's green though, nice. This is Tabletop Farm. So they have deers or deer around here. In the English countryside, look, lots of trees, lots of green spaces. They've got horses as well. Yeah. So we are nearing our destination. We are just under 6 miles. So what does it say there? Scotland's Castle. Brewl Water, Lamb. You see that sign?
Oh, I
Brewl Water. That would be nice to go. That should be good. Oh. Horse London. Yeah, all sorts here. We're heading towards where? Hastings. The rolling hills of the English countryside. Oh look, that's so beautiful, isn't it, Lamb? Picturesque views, scenic views. River Tees. So just enjoy the scenery with me as I take you to. We're going to a country park. I'll tell you the name when we get there. But there should be signs telling us where we're going, you know, Lamb. But there's no sign. They said Bayham Abbey, Brewl Water. I wouldn't mind go look at Brewl Water. Eh? What's that? What is that? Okay. Brewl Water. We could just go and see what that is.
It looks like it's close to
Hastings Film Well. Brewl Water is the sign got that way, Lamb.
Okay,
Yeah,
quick.
let's look at it first. Let's see what that is. Welcome. Ooh, it's here. Outdoor adventure. It's like in Welsh, B-E-W-L. Brewl Water. Is that the pronunciation?
Probably not.
outdoor adventure. Okay. Well, we're just gonna check it out. We may not stop, but we just wanna see what's there. So there are many, many, many places of interest in this area. So come with me and you'll be in a world of imagination. Yeah, so we're just doing a detour to Brewl Water at the moment. Look at the woods. Oh, that's so good. These trees hasn't got leaves as yet. Brewl Water. Wow. Car park. Parking. Waterfront cafe. Okay. Where's the parking? So I'm at Brewl Water and look at the view of the lake. It's lovely. I'm just gonna walk along and have a view of the area. It's lovely. Paddle, they do paddle sport hire here. And they do fishing as well. So water sport. I'm going here. Okay. Water sports. So this is our detour. But it's a nice place. It's beautiful. Paddle board yoga, called canoe paddle board and kata canoes. Well, there's lots of them. On a nice sunny day, this will be epic. Nice views. Wow. So we're at Brewl Water today, and it's a lake, okay, and it has different water sporting activities like canoeing, waterboarding, etc. So I think on a day like today, it would be ideal to bring your friends and family to enjoy such a beautiful environment. It's nice, it's calming, it's not too full, not many people are here, but it's nice, a nice environment. It's great. And I think they do fishing as well. One thing is missing and those are the ducks. Can't see any ducks, but it's so pretty. Really nice. Brewl Water. They've got a cafe. Want to have a drink or something to eat? Cafe area over there. It's lovely. Yeah. I'll walk along here. The beautiful Brewl Water. I don't know where that water coming from. So people can do camping here as well, you know. It's a nice holiday resort. In the grass. Look at those little canoes. I don't like canoeing. It's physically draining. Once I did it when I went to Lake Districts. Oh my God, that was something else. Look, the water is coming from up there. They said no swimming, so perhaps the water isn't clean. Look. Such a peaceful place. Brewl Water. Oh, they have a play area. They have a children's play area. Oh, wow. Yeah. So we are at Brewl Water. We found our ducks. I was saying they didn't have ducks, but they do. We found 4 duckies. Look. Amazing place. Really amazing. Amazing place. They have tables for picnics. Look, they've got children's play area. It's lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely area. Can you imagine? This is my detour, my pit stop. Oh, look, there's more people up that side. Yeah. Don't know if I can cross here. Whoa. Oh my dear. It's gonna mess up my shoes if I cross it here. Can't cross it, man. I can't cross it. You want to get stuck? So she braved it, so I'm gonna brave it as well. Ooh. Look, it's all muddy here. Ooh, nice. See a cliff here, lamb? You wanted a cliff. See, you got your cliff here. There's your cliff. Yeah. You said, oh, I want a cliff. So here's a mini cliff, okay? You can't say I didn't get cliff today. Hey, look. At the books. Clay. Clay. Lam, you want to make a plate out of clay? Yep. Oh. So, Lamersa got her clay area. Oh, wow. Let me come up there. How can I come up there now? I have to go back. Okay. Wow. It's a big play area, nice area today. It's beautiful. I didn't think it would be so lovely. Wow. They're enjoying themselves. I don't blame them. I have. The plane is going in the sky. Yes. There's everything happening here. Let's walk here. I don't know if I can walk here. Okay. Let us walk around. Look, this is just a nice place to come and chill. Isn't it? Yeah. It's nice. It's a beautiful place. Beautiful place for children, families. It didn't come. Another plane. It's busy. Very busy. This is like Brewl Water, but this is more Is it more family oriented than Brewl? Yeah, because they've got the children play area.
What's Brewl?
Brewl is another water park. And Brewl have lots of place to walk. Brewl is nice. I told you they've got inflatable. Look, there's lots more boats, look. They have more boats.
Yes, indeed. They cannot. I was just supposed to have a skydive. I don't know when I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that.
Yes, I was saying, look, there are boats. And there's a picnic area. And a children play area. You know, so there's lots to do in this area. It's beautiful. Thank you, Lam. Upgrading our reservoir at Brewl. 30 million to upgrade our reservoir. Wow, a lot of money that. 30 million to upgrade. Is this the reservoir?
Yeah.
Or is it this over here is the reservoir? Let's check it out. Look, that's a proper cement block. Oh, the jetty here, but I can't go down it. That's why I don't like London. I don't like living in London because when you're in the countryside, you have the best of life. You got all of this fresh air. Look, trees everywhere. You know, I prefer this. When I work in London and I live in the countryside because I think the countryside is better for me. What do you think? Look at all that. Brewl Water. You had enough? There's a pond. Here, have a look. There's fish in this one. Did you see it? It's a good sized fish. There's fish. If you're patient, you can see them again. Oh, such a beautiful place. The flower. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful sceneries. Beautiful day. I'm so glad I came out. Oh, there's a fish again. I can see it from here. I don't know if you can see it. So almost in the middle of the pond. And it's more than one of them actually. It's a number of them. Beautiful day. The beautiful Brewl Water. So I'm gonna keep walking and check if we can find any more beautiful scenes. Lamb, there are toilets up here. Yeah. Toilets are along here somewhere. It's a nice place for camping. It's very nice. Very, very good. Beautiful place. I would come back. Would you?
Yeah. But there are other places as well.
I love the scenery here. So beautiful. Look. You can't want no more better than that. Look. So those must be the glamping tents. Yeah. Such a nice area. Look. Tents. We can picture tents. And they have toilets and showers as well. All of this area. See some canoes. So you've had my tour of the Brewl Water today. I hope you've enjoyed it. And wherever you are in the world, I hope that you're having a fantastic day. And get out there into nature if you're not already doing that, and enjoy all that nature has to offer, because it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So I might do part 2 because I'm heading to a nature reserve. That's where we plan to go, and then we detoured here. So I'm gonna go to the nature reserve now. So walk good, everybody. Have a blessed day. Lots of love. Bye.